Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy LinkedIn update. How to see your mentions notifications on your PC. LinkedIn has made it easier than ever to keep track of who's talking about you, ensuring you never miss an important conversation or opportunity to engage. So let's get started with the steps. First, open LinkedIn.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top menu. You'll see a row of icons, and among them is the notifications icon. It looks like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu displaying all your recent notifications. Now, here's where the magic happens. Within the notifications menu, you'll see different categories to help you sort through the noise. To find your mentions, look for and choose the Mentions option. Clicking on Mentions will filter your notifications, showing you specifically when someone has mentioned or tagged you in a post, comment, or article. This is super useful because it separates the mentions from all the other notifications, like job updates or connection requests, making it easier to focus on what's relevant to you. This new feature is a game changer for a few reasons. Engaging with mentions is a fantastic way to strengthen your connections and build your brand. When someone mentions you, it means they're either valuing your input, sharing your content, or including you in a relevant discussion. Responding to these mentions shows that you're active and engaged, which can improve your brand reputation. By promptly responding to mentions, you show your network that you're attentive and value their interactions. This can lead to deeper relationships, new opportunities, and a stronger professional presence on the platform. Plus, it helps ensure that you don't miss out on any important conversations or opportunities to contribute your expertise. In the past, important mentions could easily get lost in the shuffle of other notifications. But with this dedicated Mentions tab, you can quickly find and respond to relevant interactions, making your LinkedIn experience more efficient and impactful. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to see your mentions notifications on LinkedIn. This update is all about helping you stay connected, manage your online presence, and make the most of your professional network. Take a few minutes to explore this feature and see how it can help you better engage with your connections.